everyone, welcome back to my channel, Sugar Bites Beauty. My name is Myra. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of one of my favorite boxes, and it's going to be the Beautylish Lucky Bag. So this bags go on sale on the 26th of December, and you have several options. I picked up the XL, and this one was $150 plus taxes, and we're supposed to get $300 or more in products. So let me show you the inside. You got this cute paper, and it's got the little tag, and it gives you information on what the lucky bags are. I'm gonna put this aside. Inside there is a bag full of treats. Yes, I already looked through it, okay, because this bag is like my annual tradition. It is the one that I always pick up no matter what. Some years are good, some years are not so good, but regardless, it's my favorite, so I still get it. So we're gonna look and see what I got in here, and I will put the grand total down in the description box because honestly, I have not looked up the prices of these yet. So bear with me and let's see what we got in here. So the first thing I got is the Charlotte Magic Cream Light, which is a lightweight moisturizer with an SPF of 20. And that's the outer box. And then this is the actual product. I have tried the cream, and I do like it. I haven't tried this light version though, so I'm excited to give that a try. Next in here is something from Good Molecules, and this is the Hyaluronic Acid Serum. This one, I think it's the same one that I got last year. Honestly, I still haven't used the other one, okay? I have a lot of skincare that I'm going through, so it's still in there. So this is what it looks like. And these are nice. It's a nice little glass jar, and it's one of the most inexpensive brands from Beautylish. So I'm excited for that too. Okay, next in here is from Natasha Denona, and this is the Pastel Plexi Glow Highlighter. There's the packaging, and I don't know if it has a shade. It should, right? Okay, so this is the actual product. Sorry, you can see my little camera. And this is the highlighter. That is really, really pretty. It does have like a pinkish sheen to it. Oh, but it looks like a white gold. That is actually really pretty. I'm trying to find the shade, but I don't see it on there. So I'll put it, oh, it says Light Affected. So I guess that's the name of it. Nice. I love highlighters, so I am perfectly happy with that. Okay, so next thing in here is from Hindash, and it is the, I think it's the liquid eyeliner. Let's see. Yeah, so it's the liquid eyeliner pen. I actually got this last year in my box as well. I go through a lot of liquid eyeliner. This, I will tell you, was not one of my favorites. It was a little bit too runny for me. So just a heads up. Okay, next it's in here. It's got a little packaging. And this is from Wayne Goss. It's the Weightless Veil Blush Palette. So last year I received one of his eyeshadow palettes. So I'm excited to try this. I'm a blush girl, so let's take a look. This is the outer packaging. And, oh, okay. So this is the inside. This is actually really cute. It's a really neutral shade. Nice little champagne-y highlighter. And this is like a little bit peachy, which is right up my alley. Love that. Okay, there's still more in here. Let's take these two out. This is from MobM MO. It is a lipstick. And this is the lipstick case. So this is the case and it pops up and then lipstick goes in there. And then this would be the lipstick refill and it is in shade M62. And it looks like it's going to be a red shade, which as you can see in my pillowcases back there, I actually do really love red. Red lipstick, my favorite, so I'm excited to try that as well. Next in here, okay, these are little scrunchies from Kitsch. Kitsch, is that how you say it, right? It says I'm made from organic cotton. These are cute. I do use scrunchies, especially for the gym or for my walks or all that, so I am okay with those. And let's see, there's 3 more products. Let me get rid of this big bag up here. Next up is from RNCO, and it is the Crystal Halo Balancing Scalp Scrub and Shampoo. I don't think I've tried this before, but I'm gonna give it a shot. So there's that one. And listen, I love brushes. Okay, so I did get one in here. It is, let's take a look and see which one it is. I know it's a Sonia G, right? Oh, maybe not. Let's see. Nope, it doesn't say, but this is the brush. There's no name on it, not that I can see anyway, but it is a really nice brush. I like that. Love, love, love brushes. And the last thing in here, which is the biggest thing in here, I actually already have. I know. I actually got it in another box. Okay, so this is the Denessa Merck's Groundwork Defining Neutrals palette. I'm not gonna open this one. I know I have mine somewhere around here. Oh yes, okay. So this is what it looks like. That's what's inside the box. And then this is, let me pull this real quick. This is the palette. I kind of swatched some of the shades. It's definitely a very neutral palette. It is an everyday type of palette. I actually have plenty of neutral shades, but you know what? This one was nice. I got it in another box as well. So it is a nice palette, but because I already have it, I'm going to set it aside and I'm going to start, putting things together for an annual giveaway at the end of the year. So this one is going to go in there. So overall, that's what I got in my Beautylish bag. Is it worth $300 of products in here? I don't know. I'm going to add it up and I'll put it down in the description box. But I am excited to try the Charlotte Tilbury. Love blushes. So the Wayne Goss Works. Red lipstick, definitely up my alley. And love blushes. The highlighter was also really nice. The palette, like I said, is going into a giveaway. And it might include this hyaluronic acid because I think I do have another one that I got from last year. The Hin Dash eyeliner, the RNCO shampoo. They're nice additions. I've tried, like I said, the eyeliner before. So overall, it wasn't a bad bag, okay? It was not, oh, I forgot the little scrunchies. So it was still pretty good. I still like to get it every year, like I said. So I will try and link it down below for you to sign up for the wait list for next year. What they do is if you sign up now, they'll notify you before it goes on sale, and you can have early access to it. I actually got in within like a few seconds of it going on. And I actually checked back a couple hours later and there were still plenty of boxes. Like I said, this one's $150, but you do have the option of the smaller box, which is $75. You have the option of a buy one, gift one. And then there's, I believe, a Wayne Goss one and a Jeffree Star one. So they were still there after a few hours when I checked. So I highly suggest that you give this a try. If you got yours, let me know if you liked what you received, if you're happy with it, if you're not happy with it. I want to know either way. But thank you so much for coming in today, and I will see you guys next time.